Hi everyone, I'm Jen with Nature's Playbook, and I wanted to share with you a packing technique that I use. You may have heard of it, it's become quite popular lately. It's the 333 method, and I also want to share with you a suitcase that I really like. I did some research on suitcases and I wanted to do a carry-on for 3 weeks. I also use the packing compression cubes, and I can show you how well they work for me. I went ahead and tweaked it a little bit as far as my capsule, and I added a couple of shirts that are camisoles and 2 different colors. They expanded my wardrobe a bit. I really like how that has worked for me. They're super lightweight. They also are just extremely compact. So it was really worth me doing that. I can show you how it all worked, and hopefully it will be some helpful information for you. So I'm going to show you what is going into the cubes, and that will then go into the suitcase. Here I have my bathing suit, and I have my pajamas. Here I have my shorts, and I have my white linen pants. I'll be wearing the jeans, so I don't need to pack those. Here I have the pashmina poncho. I have my patterned long sleeve shirt, and I have my white t-shirt, and I have the black cami. I'm going to be wearing the blue cami with the long sleeve white button down, and my jeans and the brown belt. Here's my workout clothes. Has my white workout shirt, my dry fit shorts, and my workout pants, my workout tights, yoga pants, whatever. So, and then here's my cosmetic bag and my toiletries. And I will be over here. I have, oh, and there's my belt. Over here I have my jewelry, and I'm going to pack it in this case. And I just like to put sort of the bigger things in. Normally I would put this in another plastic bag, but I'm going to leave it because there's really not much in the bottom for it to get tangled up in. But my other necklaces and jewelry, I don't like them to get tangled, so I just put them in a plastic baggie, and it just all helps prevent that. So ready as well. Thanks so much for joining and watching this segment on my experimental packing method, trying to put everything into a carry-on for 3 weeks. And I was going to share with you not only the luggage, which you'll see the links below, but this great luggage tag, as well as my friend also makes these purses. They're just so great. And I love supporting local businesses, women-owned businesses, small businesses that are creative, have great products, and this is one that I'm especially fond of. It's one of my very favorites because it just identifies with my personality. I get to choose something that I love, which is nature. It just does really anything, and you get to choose the color leather that you like, and straps, the size, everything, and she'll do these great luggage tags for you too. So I'm talking her up a lot, but it's just because I think she's so great. Like, I just love these products. But I'm also going to speak to you about the compression bags that are the compression cubes for packing, which are great. I will put those links below, and please feel free to share with me any small businesses that you like to support, any great products, and I'm always looking for new things to discover, and there's just so many great ones out there. Check out Nature's Playbook. It's a great free app that is based on all ways to connect with nature. So it's not just trails, it's not just snow sports or just surfing. It is any way you connect with nature outdoors, which is so great because we all connect in different ways. And we can be extremely athletic and share those experiences. We can also enjoy and be in awe of our surroundings. And Nature's Playbook, always our undercurrent and our strong value is conservation, paying it forward to somebody else through a video that shows a great location and what the experience is like, and including those details with that experience that you're paying for to someone else who doesn't know a location, and being able to even supply maybe the great cafe to get fish tacos, or a wonderful place to have ice cream, a place you rented gear from, maybe you hired a guide, great experiences with those. So there's places for links to round out, make it a whole experience that is just so enjoyable for somebody else. So if you get a chance, download the app, pay an experience forward. It doesn't have to be something from last week. It can be in the past few years, because these experiences are still very relatable, and they're just great information to give a friend and to give somebody who is new to an area. So pay it forward to someone else and support your local businesses. Thanks so much for viewing this. Have a wonderful day, and hope to see you on Nature's Playbook.